Hello, everyone, and welcome to the carpet cleaning world. I'm Roger Lloyd, and tonight we have our very first Revolution show for 2018. And if you don't know already, the Revolution show is a motivational, marketing, introductory podcast for the carpet cleaning industry. I started this last year, of course, in 2017, and it started going well. So now the carpet cleaning industry has their own technical internet show. All right. Well, let's get down to business. This is titled Happy New Year to you too, Dave. Dave is my neighbor, everyone. But tonight's show is titled How to Write Your Business Vision. Now, I know for a lot of you guys that only have listened to me in the past to get some marketing ideas and to get some quick ideas on how to run your business, this isn't that type of show anymore, because my goal in 2017 was to try to help bring the carpet cleaning industry up as a whole. But after talking to so many of you, I realized that we have to start from the basics, and you can't charge to help you guys or to help us start from the basics. So with this show this year in 2018, I hope to give you the key essential points that you will need to help you truly get your carpet cleaning business off the ground. Now, starting, we have an agenda now when I do these videos, so it'll make sense to you and I will stay on point. The first of the agenda is the commencement. Let's talk about that word, commencement. That's the end of something old and the beginning of something new. Now, that could be kind of tricky in this video, and that's what I'm hoping you guys are understanding. Hey, Roger, man, are you talking about it's the end of 2017 and it's the beginning of 2018? Yes, I am. Or, Roger, are you talking about this is the end of the way I used to do my business and this is how I'm going to start it off in 2018? Yes, I am. So I guess it is a tricky question because it works both ways. It's a 2-point answer. It is the end of the old year and the beginning of the new one. And it's also, hopefully, the end of the way you were doing your business if, and only if, you didn't have a vision. If you did not have a vision. You know, in the month of December, I guess you guys might have noticed, I stopped making so many videos because I started doing a lot of coaching with you guys. And I made a little agenda, of course, so I could find out where you were. And the very first question that I've asked many of you was, hey, what's your business vision? What's my vision? Yeah, what's the vision for your business? Oh, well, you know, Roger, man, I'm trying to pay all my bills and I'm trying to see if I can make like $10,000 a month. I mean, it was just woohoo, just like out of this world, the answers that I was giving. And I was like, okay, let's slow down right now with the hey, Joe, that's Joe Kelawaski. If you guys don't know Service Monster, then I don't know what to tell you. Service Monster is one of the leading softwares